97-345 Homicide. Owner of dangerous animal. If the owner of a mischievous animal, knowing its propensity, willfully let it go large, or shall keep it without ordinary care, and such animal with so at large are not confined, kill any human being who shall have taken responsible precautions to avoid the animal, such owner shall be guilty of manslaughter. Whether you like it or not, if you have animals, you're responsible for what they do. Because you are the owner, they are considered property. If your property hurts or destroys anything or kills somebody, you are responsible as the owner of that property. Keep that note, not just dangerous animals. If your dog destroys something of your neighbor's, you're actually responsible for it, or to keep your animals to you. In this matter, if you know that you have a dangerous animal and you're keeping it as a pet, you have to take all precautions to contain that animal to keep it from hurting other people. That also, the way it's worded, if that human being shall have taken responsible precautions to avoid the animal, which means if you have a venomous snake and they go and reach their hand in it to play with it, then end up dying, that is on them. But if your snake gets out and goes into their house and attacks them and kills them, then you are responsible. And as always, thank you for watching. Have a great day.